Hey there! Are you thinking about selling your home, but you're feeling a little bit overwhelmed with the whole idea of renovating it first? This video was inspired by my friend Steve, who is seriously looking to list his home with me, but he's not sure whether he should spend lots of money and energy in updating his house. Don't fret. I'm Ellen Wright with Properties with Ellen and Heart and Soul Realty, and I'm here to help you navigate through this tricky decision. The question is, should I remodel first? And I have an answer. Yes or no. It's a little bit of a mixed bag, and it depends on your local market. In today's market, even though we still are dealing with very low inventory, buyers still have some options. I've noticed that they are being a little picky, and it's crucial to make sure that your home stands out in front of the competition. And this means that you may need to make some particular updates, but I don't want you to go overboard. We're still in a seller's market, and renovating a few key areas of your home could be enough to make it stand out. Did you know that according to the National Association of Realtors, refinishing or installing new hardwood flooring can have a significant impact on the home's value? Don't forget that your local real estate agent, she needs to know any previous upgrades that you've made so that she can market effectively to brand new potential buyers. So make sure that you communicate those. Ultimately, the best strategy for renovations depends on your specific situation. So it's crucial that you work with a professional agent to determine the best focus areas. I'm here to help you, so feel free to reach out to me for guidance. And remember, I want you to spend your time and your money wisely. I want to help you optimize the sale of your home with the best return on your investment. I'm Ellen Wright with Properties with Ellen and Heart and Soul Realty.